Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to go over electron transport and cellular respiration, starting with glycolysis. So we're going to start with a 6-carbon glucose molecule, which goes through a series of steps that's going to break it into 2 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecules. Each G3P is going to be oxidized by an enzyme called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, or GAPDH for short. It's going to produce 2 NADHs and 4 electrons in total. Remember that oxidation is loss, and our G3P, it loses electrons. Meanwhile, reduction is gain. NAD plus is going to gain electrons and a proton to become NADH. So the electrons, they're going to come from carbon atoms in G3P. So after this, G3P is converted into pyruvate, which is later going to be oxidized to acetyl-CoA for the citric acid cycle. It's really important to note that the electrons from glycolysis, they're going to skip the citric acid cycle and go directly to the electron transport chain. In Biology 1, we say that these NADH molecules, they're going to deliver electrons to complex 1, when in reality, we have different kinds of shuttle systems that may deliver them elsewhere, but they're all going to end up at the electron transport chain. So once they're at complex 1, NADH is going to be oxidized. It's going to lose its electrons and become NAD+. These electrons, they're going to pass through the electron transport chain and they're going to get to complex 4, where they're going to be used to make water. And here's how. The electrons, they came from NADH. The hydrogen ions, they came from the matrix, some that was released when NADH was oxidized. And that 1/2 O2, it comes from the oxygen you breathe, molecular oxygen that enters our cells and acts as the final electron acceptor. But why does oxygen attract the electrons? It's because oxygen is highly electronegative. It has a really strong pull on electrons. And this strong attraction, it helps drive the entire chain, pulling those electrons forward and allowing the electron transport chain to function efficiently. And that's it for this video. Next time, we're going to go into pyruvate oxidation and follow what happens to the electrons that we have harvested there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily science. See you next time.